So members, the new feature within Estimator per hour is now available. So the first thing to do when you're already logged in, just click this profile button on top. Once you click that, it will bring you to your profile page. Now within your profile page, you will see this special offer box, and on the right of that, just click this add offer with link, and it will bring you to your offer page. Now within your offer page, just simply fill up this fields form, and then you're good to go. Start with this offer name, offer description, the type of job. You can also upload the image, I believe 500 by 360 this is pixels, I think. And also type the packages. Start with package 1. On the right of that, just put on the title for this package, right? And also the description, don't forget that. And the expected delivery days. This is the number of days you think you can finish the project. Just simply choose, like for example 7 days. And also the revisions on the right. This is the number of revisions you will allow for your client to request. Like for example, for package 1, you only allow three revisions. Just simply click that. All right, and don't forget the price. This is the price for this package. So just put on whatever it is, and once you're done with that, you can add another package by simply clicking this add package on the right. All right, so just click that, and same, just fill up the form. Once you filled it up, if you still want to add the package, then just click another add package for the package tree. And if you think you have some mistakes, you can, or you want to delete the package, just click this small box, check that, and then just click the delete package, and it will be deleted automatically. Now below that is the requirements box. This is the requirements for your package. Yes, like for example package 1, you need the drawings, put it there, or the plans and whatsoever. Once you are finished completing this form completely, just click this save information button, and then you're ready to go. Now let's say I am the client. I'm going to look for the particular freelancer for my job. So I will look for freelancers, and then say I know that particular person, ABCD. I'm going to type that here and look for that. Here you go. This is the initial profile of that particular freelancer. When you click that image on the right, it will bring you to his offer page. Let's see. So this is it. So this is the special offer of that particular freelancer. As you can see here, package 1, package 2, package 3, and the description of each packages, right, and the requirements for each. So once I decided, like for example the client is decided to choose package 2, then they will simply select this price select. All right, and it's going to bring them to proceed to payment. Right, so once the client, or if the client has enough or has sufficient amount of money in his My Wallet, once he click this award now, it will automatically awarded to the particular freelancer. Now on the side of the freelancer, they will just simply check their work forum, and they will say there the notice of award, and then they will just simply accept it, or and then they can start working. All right, so this is really the basic features for this new feature of EPS. All right, so my suggestion is simply update the profile, your profile, so that it will be ready just in case any client will take a look at or will look for particular service or freelancer, and once you are that freelancer with the specific skills of that requirement from the client, then they will simply hire you, right? So don't forget about it, and I hope this gives you a simple how do you call that, a guide how to update your profile. And I wish best of luck to you, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye now.